breeze to run.
But they must know something. They must fear talk to them.
Yeah, of course.
You keep them calm. Yeah,
you can't owe me so much money and not talk to me when my money I go reach.
Where my money there? Where my money there?
But what my breeze, brother?
Welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being Podcast. I'm your host, Karim Bartley, with co-host
Odi and Lewis.
Is it me? Happy to be here. We're gonna be here more consistent, guys. Don't worry. Is it me? The last video was just for get the thing turned.
Yeah. We still are trying to figure out the cues and the perks them. So yeah, man. I got my thing, man.
Yeah, man. But thanks to everyone that's been watching. Especially, let me tell you who me really and truly want to give a shout out to. She name Cosmic Wisdom 999. From day one, she did it, bro.
Cosmic from the fairy tales.
Boy.
Fairy parents.
I tell her, boy.
Big up yourself, mama.
Yeah, man. She keep me on my toes and she keep you up on your toes.
Yeah.
You see light, so tell me what else I need.
Alright.
Tell me what else I need. But for all those out there that's watching, if you don't want to look at our face, we're also on Spotify. You see me? So you can just listen to our voices and go along in a day. You see me? Yeah,
and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So yo, we're there. Maddest podcast around town. No.
Real. But brother, what if you talk about them?
Yeah, whole heap things to touch right now.
Yeah,
the meet them this week was crazy. Alright, we can touch on that girl. First and foremost, the girl that run the 200 meter this weekend. Ashanti.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Well done. Yo, that was a strong run.
Yeah.
It was a very strong one.
I'm telling you, so I like about it too. Even after the race, just interact with fans.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yo, I like way sports are go, bro.
Yeah.
Like, one time, nobody didn't want to interact with the fans after they done running, just go about their business.
True. That's your flow.
And I like how everybody get engaged, make a sport nice.
True.
You know what I say?
True.
Yo, anytime they start take up like the Tara vibes. Yo, I want to give me some Tara vibes.
Or bold vibes. I must say bold.
Yeah.
That's God saying.
Yeah, me not dashing me. But him retired, we have to stay tuned with who in our game right now.
True.
Yeah. But yo, great run. She PR'd. And
I think she have the number one right now.
I believe so.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
Yeah. Most definitely, yeah. But watching her transition from out of high school and then come up in the ranks, but she had faded away for a little bit because I haven't heard her
for a while.
Yeah, for a very long time.
Yeah, big up to GC first. I think she did a GC, Mr. Maurice Wilson.
Oh, she did a GC?
Yeah, man. I think I to them, man. Because she did a friend for a while and it's me just never that work out.
Yeah, but I mean, sometimes change is good.
True.
Yeah, change is good. But good run, girl, and that was a very monstrous run. And she's big and powerful, bro.
Yeah. She remember me, brother. Well, lady name Aileen Bailey. Yeah, remember Aileen Bailey, 200 meter lady?
Yeah, but I see why you say that.
Right, I just doing look, isn't it?
Oh, maybe. Yeah. I see why you said that. She give me more alien vibe.
Alien?
Yeah.
No, alien bong scene, brother.
Yeah, yes, but she should just come back. I give her time.
Okay.
Yeah, she's very powerful.
Yeah, she's powerful.
She's very powerful.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And her confidence are built.
Yes. So I give her time to come around and just get back herself in our national squad. And we go see her September in our World Champs.
Yeah, man. Right on the Tokyo
streets.
But, yo, now I think we kind of want to touch upon now. Most impressive thing out that weekend for me, that.
Yeah.
Bro. Brian Levell.
Oh.
You see me?
Wow.
Brother, levels to this thing.
Levels
to this thing, brother.
What you were, 983?
983 or 982? One time.
No, man, 983, man. You man Seville up on the same time right now.
Man, Seville. Now I'm 982, Seville 983.
Oh.
Yeah,
close enough.
Yeah,
boy, that throw them mad,
Brother.
A mad thing.
A long time I don't see this, dog.
Yeah.
Long time I don't see this, bro.
That from what? 2012?
Yeah.
That with Yuan Asafa.
The great one.
And the great one.
Yeah, one honorable doctor, you saying?
Yeah, So hold on. Alright. So you think they want that team they can with somebody else on that team with Runaway Train, Seville.
Like
Kishane, yeah, I run a real train that, brother.
True.
Yeah, I run a real train that, man. Yeah, so they want to for it, bro.
Yeah.
So we run a real train, Seville, Levell. I mean, with one other addition, You think they be contended to sub 37?
I want to say sub 37, but 37 medal.
37 mid.
37 medal. Yeah.
37 medal.
Medal, yeah.
No goal?
Medal.
Medal?
We have to see what go on.
Yeah. But not for growing first, yeah. You're right.
What do you think about it?
But our next addition.
Well, right now, in that, I think Raheem Ford get 4 trials.
Yes.
But me never see Raheem at London. That's something they put on with their name. Go something them on under Mr. Maurice Wilson. Yeah.
Me know what you talk.
Yeah. So he miss it on the team when he qualify.
But why they left off fourth though? Since now top 4. So why him never get a chance to run on that team though?
Boy, I love to know myself to dog.
Brother, politics, bro.
I don't want to see a politics because I can't visa. Is it me? I can't visa.
At them time, at least years and time, at least still I got you visa issues.
Brother, what you mean?
Brother,
you
come
think
on,
visa free, brother?
So what? He dog now want Adidas contract.
Yeah.
He dog signed to Adidas.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So, I mean, what kind of issues we get? Figure out meets like them shouldn't be an issue.
Suppose
I mean,
you
know.
Yeah.
You know what I say? I mean, that could have been a part of it too. If you don't want to go in, maybe not ready that week there or whatnot.
True.
But was he there at the meet? What did he run at that meet though?
No. But at the meet there, Seville run a rated back stretch, brother. No, it was some time ago, brother. It was a good run. The team run good and qualify. Can't fight with that, brother.
Yeah.
Can't buy that name, say. I'm not telling you.
So what's the dep on the team?
Yeah.
So what's Golson. Yeah.
Good run. I think he run also 10-0 today.
He run 10-0 today.
Yeah. So they in a shape, isn't it?
But
we don't see Ryan Van Trials.
But Ford. Alright. For World Champs team, what you top for?
For the 4x4?
Yeah. For the 4x1.
Oh, for the 4x1, man. But
yeah.
Like in an order, I just who me feel like would I go.
Who you feel like would I go? Starting 4, then I want to give me the lineup.
Nothing can get a lineup really and truly, bro. But what would I say you have to carry top 4 man them that.
Yeah. So hold on. So you believe say even though you're coming at top 4 at trials, you deserve for them on the team?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
What matter speed or exchange?
It's all about the chemistry that the team have.
But if we not are true.
Tough one.
No, they're tough.
Yeah.
When I lie, when I love to see top 4.
Yeah. But definitely, me think say because you're earning, then should look aside and say, okay, more bring up a faster man because say Levell come there because Levell not come last at trials.
No man, about 3rd I come.
Levell come last at trials, bro.
Levell?
Yeah.
In our bills?
Yeah. Dog run 10-4-3. Yeah.
How would he come 3rd?
3rd, we got Akeem Blake.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. My bad Blake.
Yeah.
Good point.
Yeah.
Good point.
So somebody have to go. Who is going to go?
It's like a level go still to that. Because technically qualify.
Yeah, technically
qualify.
Yeah, but in qualify no. But in based on it's standard a J3, top 3, sure.
Yeah.
And all of them already qualify as standard, but he never come top 4. He never come top 3, plus he not make even top 6. If he say we go carry 6 man.
True.
For 2 sub them, so.
I mean, then could I pull a Warren Weir? Warren Weir qualify for 200 and he run heats.
Boy, we don't see where it go. You know, like JJ like to save money, so. So somebody not save.
Yeah, somebody not save. But no man, for real though, if you don't say, brother come out and run 982, brother.
Yeah.
Impressive that.
Yeah, that's crazy. A good bounce back from trials.
Brother.
Yeah,
but
brilliant.
in the talk and say like you must say the feel tighter or something like that. So because not even him oblique that talk and say, yo, I never see post him and so.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Bro, me surprised he may even finish that race. Seville.
Yeah,
because the way the man did that, where we see where the man did that go on before the race start. I said, dang, he that serious? And then the boss and pull off a fast time still.
Yeah, man, boy, you don't know, say, Glen Mills is a guru, so you have like a guru in it, but big up to the trainers, them are physio, them work on him for real.
Yeah.
Thing, yeah, dog.
Because The dog look good the other day when he beat Lies. The dog look in a tip-top farm shape. Yeah.
Brother, you must have Mr. Consistent nothing, man.
Yeah.
You'll get him in a final matter where, brother. You see me?
So that I think now,
Yeah.
can Levell produce another time like that? Can he run 10-8 again? Or
I think
you believe so?
I think so,
Okay.
because he's strong.
Okay.
He's very strong. But why you're 4x1 lineup?
Alright. It might cause a lot of controversy still.
We have.
Because me have Seville out the gate.
Starting?
Yeah.
No, dog. Backstretch.
Hold on, no man. Hold on. You ask me what mine is. I mean, everybody opinion different.
True.
You see me? Me have Seville out the gate. See? Me have runaway train on the backstretch.
Okay.
Runaway train on the backstretch. But I give it to sadly to say, I put Levell.
Yeah, man.
But I put Levell on the third leg. I make what are you name, man?
Who that? Ghosting?
No.
Ford.
Ford anchor.
So Blake there.
Blake, I just roll out that one.
What you mean?
Brother, I just.
What you mean?
You ask me my team, I tell you my team.
But the man get third.
Me understand that.
And you just say if you earn it.
Yes. But that's still top 4, that's still enough. But me I say, even if Levell go, me I give us my team. Me not sure
like
if
about final I talk about, like the final team.
The final team. Because alright, what if Zine, you not qualify at trials, you come dead last. It did come dead last at trials. Zine? But you run upon the team will get you qualified for world champs. Me believe say you have to carry them Monday.
Brother, let me tell you something.
Me believe say you have to carry them on them.
You know what I say?
What?
But he never run on the team.
Yeah, he not run on the team, yes. But me just say, me just give my team. I know say he might not come down to so.
Yeah.
But because he run in 983, he might go.
982.
982, sorry. 982, he might go, bro.
Yeah.
They might carry him.
Yeah. Because he's my top 3 right now.
You see my top 3 in our world?
Yeah,
I mean, you can't overlook that.
True.
You get me?
Well, alright. Whenever I wish year now, whenever I hear Kenny Harris, I can't forget that year, brother. She broke your record.
Yeah.
She never make a team at US and not carry, no?
Yes.
So then you see him?
Yes, she broke your world record. I can't see him thing. You know what I mean?
So
that I only event he did run.
Kenny?
Levell.
No, man. 2 best man.
He qualified with 2 best. He might go run, bro.
No, me I say.
Yeah, he might go run.
That case where it's like a ordinary thing.
Yeah. He go run. Cause they not gonna put runaway train out there. Feel heats.
I agree. I feel like him for needs.
You feel like him for needs?
For needs because I one event there.
One event, okay.
One event, yeah.
But most of them have one event.
Levell have 2.
What have been?
Well, that's what one have.
All of them have one event, yeah. They're not double, yeah.
True.
I mean, so that's my team. I mean, me not see what with that pick Blake. They do dark fast, you know?
Yeah.
But me not see what with that put him.
Yeah. Not even other blocks?
No. Nah.
Would I put him on tire blocks?
Did I put him on tire blocks?
Put him on tire blocks. Seville on the back stretch.
Me not see no space for him on the team there. But he go up on the team still.
Yeah. I mean he get third.
Yeah, he get third.
Yeah,
which he earn it. Yeah. He earn in position say yo. He earn in position for your medal.
Yeah.
Regardless if he want run or not, he not go get a medal. Yeah. So the top 3 sticker no say he'll get a medal regardless and whatnot. But that team they do
it's solid.
A solid team, man. I give them on 37-3.
37-3?
Yeah. Either if Blake the pony or not.
Yeah.
138. That team is outstanding,
solid,
man. A solid team, man.
Dangerous, man. A long time we not there, so.
Yeah. Me not see USA baby.
No, that brother, they can't grow in the back, brother.
No.
Well, speaking of that, must I try this weekend, so we're going to see what goes on.
Oh, yeah. We're going to see, yeah.
Yo,
trouble.
Let me ask you though, speaking of trials, you feel like, say, you play out in a full benefit now that we see trials the early and US know, because now we're running fast, you know.
Yeah.
And US have to look one way and say,
yeah. So they under pressure.
Yeah, you feel like you play out now benefit?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah,
because no, me see one like a video run for like I watch one like a thing and then like they might try push out thing out there and say okay you don't need to be on the track to be fast and then like a thing there. Yeah, so I mean I want you not really a video, it's kind of like a picture, music in that there.
Okay, yeah.
But I mean they under little pressure now to see what really are going on, see We there top 3.
Again.
Man, again. So if man them go on perform on showboat and I say, oh, then Jamaicans say, oh, they might do up this. You know, they go on come interrupt here and think what.
Yeah, me not think entrance I can produce much. Me not tell I feel here.
Yeah.
We're back again, brother.
Yeah.
We never left, but we're back.
Yeah.
We're back.
Back in full. Top shotters are back. Yeah, top ball in full effect.
If you go
No.
to sing that.
You know joke, brother. The man them are run, bro.
Yeah, dog.
You see me? And we have to give him like a long time because even last year. No, last year? Oh, we had we have last year.
Olympics.
We have Olympics.
Yeah.
A good long time we not have a good group of guys line up like that,
Fox.
bro.
Fox. And 3 man them come from 3 different camps.
Yeah.
3 different camps.
Yes.
Yeah. Shaninki Osborne, big up yourself. Big up yourself. You find another one. You see me? And she also have what's her name? Delano Dunkley. If you know that you there. Delano Kennedy. Something like that. He's a 400 youth.
The 400 youth.
Yeah, I'm a run fast.
Sound like a Statesman or something.
Nah, man, he's a Edwin man.
Edwin? Okay. I'm not sure who that is.
Yeah. He don't even lucky than on TikTok.
Okay then. Alright, bet.
Yeah, man, he's a tough man. You see me? So, Miss Osborne, you're going to think me now tell like congratulations, man. That. You see me? Because when your dad here in the first 19, your dog not go back, you know.
I mean, 19 hard for you go like 19 and just get up and run.
No, but me I say that from the man do it, brother, dog.
Yeah.
You can't beat him. Him powerful, no, dog. Man, powerful, brother. Yeah, dog.
But look at Levell look nice 2 bills at Charles thing.
Yeah. I mean, I talk about, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, dog. Powerful.
Oh, God, man. Dog bounce bank wicked from the bills, bro. And go, let me say, what happened? That was the question. What happened?
That, no, man, I think he did it like him feel something. I'm not telling like this.
No, I can't, but that day like a feel something.
What you mean, dog? Man, athlete, brother. What you want him on the dog?
Man, then it look like he feel nothing at 2 bills. Unless, you know what? Big up to a medics team them.
Alright.
Cause them a work magic.
Remember, we know say our best night.
Guzu.
Eh?
Alright.
We don't say our best piece of them, dog.
Yeah.
We don't like, I'm not too like a foreign piece of them, dog. Them,
No,
them want you charge, them charge of everything, brother. They don't even want massage too deep, dog. They on that, dog.
Them bad for I'm not telling you.
Yeah.
Because as a country, we used to go corner and we start get exposed to the physiotherapy when we start make teams and things.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, I don't get used to that. I get that thing out. They think I what? Yeah. But yes, Jamaica, when you come on to the physiotherapy part, I think Jamaica really spend on that.
Yeah, and most of them come from GC faster, so.
Yeah. I mean, I always want, me might go do it, still, no?
Physio?
No, I want to do one certification of masseuse or something, bro.
Yeah.
I think I want to do that.
No, still.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have, I say no.
Yeah. I might be interesting because I always want to do that, but I just never get to the avenue for do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, but they seem interested though.
Yeah.
I mean, the masseuse that make breeze, bro.
Brother, you get the travel too.
I get the travel.
Yeah. Can't go wrong, boy. But me like what you say, we don't name, we don't put free train on the back stretch. Yeah. Cause as me not think say that team they need to play no catch up. True.
They just need to go.
Yeah.
Get it done.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
Bang out it. Seville just say man have a bullet start.
Yeah,
and then they keep run away a tree and run a straight chain go. You know what I say?
Yeah, that's powerful.
Yeah. And then just carry on the button. All they have to just don't drop the button, just pass the button. Yeah. So right now all they need to do is work on some button exchange. But they always have camp before World Champ, so hope they work on that, bro.
And the beauty about this team, outside that your team different from my team still, is that majority of them on them that yard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can go link up a evening time and
practice. You can't go wrong with that, man. But I'm glad for know say Sprint Capital is back on top again.
In full effect.
And the capital they are yard same way.
Yeah.
I like that still like that. I like that big man thing, brother.
Real.
Man thing, bro. Once you have on the talk, you know.
I'm gonna touch upon real quick though. Since we there trials, Kobe. Why never run the 400?
Feel like you never ready. Feel like you never ready, man.
Okay.
Remember say qualifying time about 44.7.
No man, a 44.8 something.
44.8?
8 something, yeah.
But you're more liable if you can get the 20.1 than the 44.8.
When he open, seeing he run 44, 45.
High.
45, yeah, 45
Yeah.
high, yeah. But I think saying we'd have one better chance in I-4. That to me.
I agree.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying, dog.
Even if we make it 4x4.
No, 4x4. 4x4, yeah, 4x4 qualify. Yeah. True. But that could be still not dog.
Yeah, I mean, but as I think saying just should stay with him pet event instead of.
But the man say him is a sprinter.
He's not a sprinter, bro.
He was saying man have a national record. Now Bill's about a week. No, a week or so, but Bill's record for your time, you know that.
A champs?
No, junior record.
Fear what, bro? The man is not a sprinter.
He have it.
Man is a quarter miler, bro.
That they need to bolt too. Tell him what, brother.
That's true.
Bolt,
But yo, if we come back for a bounce back, no, and you know, we've been absent so long.
Yeah.
I think so just stick with the event way.
No.
In play with more.
No. Call up on Shani. When Shani come back in the brother, I nearly most septata a part where she didn't want to, you know, she has to ask 5 for the 400 in the brother.
Yeah.
Brother, remember saying that? Yeah, me and girl lot in the brother, if you up on tip top shape, we're not gonna perform with her. But you said girl, let me just go work around and figure it out.
So 200 inside girl?
You have to say inside girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you prefer she?
So, I mean, but he should have got link back in main girl. Because
Yeah.
he open up with the main girl.
Exactly.
Right.
Because I'm me and girl.
Yeah.
You have to see her first.
Yes. He should have just got link it back on the last run, man. You see me? At least the main girl could have a better chance to bring him to Tokyo.
No, sir.
I believe
I feel like he can qualify now too.
You two bills?
Yeah.
You have time. Alright.
Yeah.
You have time.
Yeah. Only thing I don't like though that is that like.
But that love for him qualify though. I not like.
Yeah, man.
That love for him.
Take
Because
him out.
when he must say, dang, you know, he miss the time, I say, Jaja.
Yeah.
The more I think of it would have be a great comeback story.
Poetic.
Yes.
Yeah.
It would be a great comeback story. But Kobe, big up yourself, youth. Let's
Yeah.
go and do your thing, innit?
Yeah, bro. Only thing I don't like though that differently is that brother there's no all comers are going right now, dog.
Yeah.
None of that.
So hold on. They don't normally do meets after trials.
But I don't know how going. I don't know. Unless them are going on we not hear about it, but I not see nothing.
Yeah, I mean, I hear
Majority of them
about
them they overseas.
Yeah, everybody up on the circuit.
Also big
now.
up Ford car Ford come back and must run 10-3 today.
Yeah.
You see me? Pro that them not telling lie. That overseas see me.
10-3?
10-3.
4th, is it?
Yeah man, that you there. Julian.
Oh, Julian. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. And Kimbo must run 10-2 or 10. No, he about 10. 11-2.
Kemba road level 2?
Yeah, 11-2. You see me? Yeah. But
Speaking of Kemba,
brother, differently, brother. Yo, Arkansas, brother. Don't Arkansas.
Arkansas?
Yeah, that's what we go, dog. But that maybe a different conversation. I don't know if you want to go in there.
No. We go into that conversation. I know Kemba personally, bro.
Yeah, brother.
Kemba, I'm a neighbor in school. Kemba got multiple friends, bro.
Yeah.
I got a one.
Yeah.
So I see Kemba, I know Kemba personally, bro.
Yeah. Talk to me.
Let me tell you. Kemba, she wasn't no great athlete.
Yeah.
And then, bro, she put in the work, dog. You know what I mean? I say, like, he was basically the only sprinter multi runner. You get me? Yeah, multi runner they really have no track team. You know what I mean? I say, and Fishy come out, brother, and then I think she got UTech first.
Yeah.
Which I believe was a wrong move.
Why?
Brother, go on a foreign.
No.
Remember
say she's a fan of Shelly and Fraser.
Yes, okay, I understand.
Naturally, brother.
Oh, okay,
Naturally.
good. So, Shelly did have her under her wings for a little while, which I loved.
Yeah.
So, me say, okay, she gotta go and do her thing, which it helped. It did help.
True.
It did help because she make a transition, go Oregon, win the 60. Win the 60.
True,
That's
true.
very good.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? I say? So, they are Oregon now perform so well. I don't know where the mishap went, and then she just went back home.
I don't know if it's a mishap, dog, but I just say something go on though, and I think it's something with Puma.
Something with Puma?
I feel so, because the club where she in, dog, is a Puma coach. And I be a Puma athlete outside of Shelly.
Oh.
That me feel like go on.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, but I think she be there for instance.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, dog.
Me not feel say she should have left. She should have left Oregon after she.
I feel like she should left Oregon still, but I don't feel like say I don't feel like say that he should have left foreign. Oregon, yes, me understand. But I left Oregon too.
I mean, fair enough. Me get why you say that still, but Oregon did that work for her.
True.
He did that work.
True.
He did that work. So me I say, yo, go and rock with your coach. They say, you see me.
True.
And you have top class facility.
Brother, but the man, them approves you don't need facility for run fast.
Yeah.
So we can argue the point of facility, dog.
Yeah, but you know, it is for the brain.
True.
Yeah. What you mean?
Make life easy.
Make life
Make
easy.
life easier for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel like she should go for instance.
Yeah.
I think she should go Arkansas.
I mean, since she made that last team, since she made that last Budapest team.
She did go Budapest?
Yeah, she go Budapest.
Yeah.
Since that team, I mean, I barely seen her in the national lineup anymore.
Yeah, she did go Tokyo still. I mean, Paris still, but you know,
to go Paris for 4x1.
Yeah.
She run?
I think so.
You think? I remember. I'm a brain man here, but I mean, but we need her up there as that. She's a top sprinter, bro.
Yeah, dog.
You know what I mean? I say. So, I mean, a little transition there.
Yeah.
It work out for her.
Yeah.
But me believe say, she should just go straight into the NCA program, bunks out her 4 years or whatnot. Cause maybe she should go UTech, so she end up a 2 years she spend. Cause you know, so then take back that 2 days.
True.
And then you go off and spend like a Juco.
Yeah. Pretty much.
You know, based on compliance and whatnot. So
Yeah.
you should just go straight in an NCA program, where you don't have to worry about competing on the pro level. Yeah, bunks out with the year caliber at least.
Maybe she did. Alright. Go look on all a man like a Kiri there.
Yeah.
But a Kiri never go straight to the NCA.
Right.
You must have go D2.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean you can consider.
That's NCA.
Yeah, but alright, you see in a Kimba situation, me would have got you take Shelly dog. Big man thing.
So you're saying she was recruited by Shelly?
No, I think she's recruited by Shelly. I think it's like, brother, my head that let me not go in there.
Okay. I mean, fair enough.
Yeah, dog.
That's fair.
But say Shelly, no, and then in a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it did work. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
It did work because after I don't know what happened, then she said, "Okay, I'm going to Oregon." You know, so but.
Nah, you can't.
But I need her to get back on your game, Kimba.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, we need you in the top sprinting highlights.
You know, I see her run same way that Christina Williams, brother.
That 800 girl?
No, brother, the Bills girl. She should go Edgerlin back in the days.
Christiana, what you call it?
Christina Williams. Christina?
I don't remember who that.
She should run. You remember skiing?
Odin Skin, yeah. Now, one was Odin Skin.
Yeah, but at the generation there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I remember her.
Remember Monique Spencer?
Monique Spencer used to go.
Edwin.
Oh, yeah.
Same generation.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
She runs 11-4 already.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, that.
But one thing, me say a lot of people from that era, they low key kind of come back, really.
Yeah, but is that come back though?
I mean, so our people fall off from the era now.
Yeah, I think of that.
You think of that?
I think we are age out, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are age out. We just, yes, you know, it's something about it though, dog. I'm kind of want to tackle that. I mean, if you want it now or later, but like the product of Issa, brother.
Oh,
dog. I don't want to touch the subject, but it kind of is, brother, because Champs are nice product, dog. Don't get me wrong, Champs are nice product, but majority of the athletes, the male and female right now, we are dominating, brother. They weren't Champs prominent athletes. So is that worth it? You know what I mean? Is Champs worth it, dog? You know what I mean?
It does.
Why?
It does. Champs does worth it, bro.
Oh.
For the fans, them, for the people, them.
Yeah, but if them not transition, what's the point?
Hold on. Most of the athletes, them are transition, they go pro.
But if you're not make national team, what's the point?
No, but hold on, no. Them are transition, figure pro straight out of high school. That is like playing high school football and then say you just want to jump in a Premier League. That don't work.
That work everywhere in Europe.
Where?
What you mean?
Where you talk about?
Project Mbappe? We are
straight out of high school. Listen.
Brother, man, him left on the academy and go straight or kickball at a club, brother.
No. Listen.
Leon Bailey.
But let me finish the analogy, you know. Yeah. They go get benched. Yo, the man them, listen. So, when they left Champs, 17. 17 there about 17 you graduate, your class one you done the class one 17.
Yeah.
Boom, you go sign a pro contract. You had 4 years. During that 4 year time, you have to try. You're under so much pressure to perform at that age. So young.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
you say, yo, okay, me need to perform so me can re-sign. You have push yourself to the limits now. You have force yourself to get injuries. Hold on. You have force yourself to our next level now, okay, get injuries and whatnot. For instance, they do get injuries because most of them, they don't make a transition very well into the pro.
Yeah.
And then 4 years now, they are 21 then. When that 4 years run out, you don't perform, you lose your contract. What's next?
So, you're with me or against me?
Me against it, bro.
You're against champs or you're against...
Me with champs, but me don't want the athlete them just go straight pro after champs.
Oh, no, that argument I defend.
Oh.
Me I say.
Okay. Me say that it mean. Okay.
Me answer that one first. Me kind of 2 years on that one still. Because I feel like say you have certain athletes who definitely go pro.
No.
Yes. Levell.
Yes, I know.
Levell is a product where you have to... They might have to go pro that.
I mean, but if you look funny, alright, say for instance, you run on 10-1. 10-1 in your class 1 at champ. See, first time you run a 10-1, a pro time that.
Yeah.
But how much time you can be consistent with 10-1? 10-1 not really cut it in our pro levels. You'll get beat up.
Me agree with
on a regular basis.
I agree with what you're saying, but you have to look on them transition over the time to when they get to the 10-1, dog. And that,
yes, but there's still more development left to be done. You know what I say? So, without the pressure of being a pro though, that's what I say, take the transition, go in an NCA system for a while, where you can relax and compete with high level people and not have to worry, say, okay.
So I'm not gonna relax and compete with high level people?
No, high level. NCA is high level, what are you talking about?
Yeah, but you can't relax.
Relax, I'm talking about making the money aspect of it.
Brother, I disagree, brother. I think the NCA is just a stressing.
No, bro.
What?
No, bro.
Brother, if you don't, remember some nearly lose my scholarship, If you don't perform in a dog, you literally lose scholarship, dog. That is like losing a contract.
Yes or not, because a lot of people, they don't know if to negotiate these contracts with these coaches, bro.
What do you...
Yo, bro.
Someone, brother, me never have the power to do that, brother. Me never have the power to do that, brother.
Yeah, so
what you gonna do?
Alright, hold on. You never have the power. So if okay. Negotiate, say, okay.
Better scholarship.
But you was on a good scholarship.
Yes, but I was about to lose the good scholarship because I never perform.
Yeah. But they might take transition to when you had make them transition there. You're in a system already. Yeah. You did have like 1 year left or so?
Yeah.
1 year. I mean, no school didn't go get up and cut yourself, bro.
You never know.
You just did that worry, bro.
Alright.
You did that worry, bro.
Alright.
No, but then just gotta get in your last year. I mean, just to make you finish out.
Alright,
I mean, you know, perform. What? I mean, you did not perform.
Me never go nationals. Remember the whole plan is for go nationals.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like.
But you have to understand, so yo, even the best of the best don't make it to nationals every year.
No, me literally never go nationals. Remember that? Me literally got me yard.
Oh, that was your fault then.
Yes, so that me I said.
What are you talking about?
You're gonna be hard, bro.
Because I know I saw you in nationals in Austin.
Yeah,
we were there in Austin and thing. Yeah, that was your fault, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. But I mean, definitely your fault.
Yeah.
You could even negotiate on that and say, yo, yeah. I mean, I beg you. All you have to go beg a blind. Say, yo, my bad. Yeah, okay. You're supposed to show up. You never show up, you know? So, yeah.
But what that says that, dog, in terms of my generation athlete, brother, we don't reap the benefits from none of the gold medalists, them, dog. In my opinion, dog.
Give me an example.
Matheson. Fashion is not in my generation. Yeah.
Boy,
O'Hara. Oh, big up Raheem Chambers. I'm getting radiology degree.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Big up you. Yeah.
You get man, say, dog.
Yeah, Raheem Chambers?
Yeah, Raheem Chambers too. But you get
man like Ivan Henry.
Yeah. Well, we get what you're saying.
Yeah. Like them the era, them the athlete, there, brother.
Yeah.
I tell you, yo.
Yeah.
That would be a crazy squad. Like just watching them on
this.
Brother. Yeah, that's champs.
A champs. I feel like a champs is the problem.
Oh.
That means, brother, because.
Oh.
Brother, them run. You see, two Mr. Champs design, brother. I don't want to spend too much time on this. But
yeah.
Two champs did design back in the day, and they try to correct themselves now in terms of like how them change the schedule and thing. The man them did have to run faster because of that the people them want to see, which is why the crowd did so packed, dog. Yeah. So if you not run fast, if you not run man time or woman time, brother, you run slow.
Yeah.
Remember, brother, when me I left high school, brother, me I run 48-55. I never forget that, brother.
Yeah, but at this...
Man done 45.
But at the same time, yeah, you still a chance to yourself get like a scholarship, to get free schooling.
Yeah, man,
so you still have to produce.
I agree with what you said, but you don't necessarily need to run so fast, because if you listen... that me I say now.
Oh, okay, me get what you okay,
because
yeah.
Most of them right now, dog.
Yeah.
Kishane.
So you feel like, them burn out? Champs kinda burn them out? Getting preparation for champs, burn them out?
I don't really too believe in a burnout, but the nervous system fried.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because once the body get to that level there, I want new system that you have to back off a little bit now, and then new muscles you have to start create now. Your body max.
You know
what I mean? I say.
So at that time I think of champs, brother. Champs to me is a good marketing business, brother, but like we not reap the benefits from champs, brother. No. From no medalist, in my opinion, we don't get nothing from them, dog.
What do blame champs then?
Champs, dog.
But I blame the coaches then.
What?
Well, why would I blame champs? Champs is just the meat.
Alright, then we're blaming NCAA or the coaches?
Yeah, I blame the coach.
The coach?
Yeah.
But if the coach don't make you run fast for compete at the NCAA, they lose them job.
I'm not talking about NCAA, I'm not talking about champs.
But they're the same thing, just opposite.
Yeah, but you still have to go through champs first.
True.
Yeah, I say.
True.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
But me get what you say, you don't want they're supposed to run so fast too early.
Yeah. Alright, if they run so fast, because it possibly, but we need to get something back from them.
Yeah.
That, brother.
So, what do you think the cause of that then?
It's standard too high.
Boy, but we have to go with what you think the way I run.
Yeah, I get what you say. That me say that they might try to correct themselves with like all the scheduling stuff.
Okay.
But like, the difference between Jamaica and the USA is that we can run the same amount of time. We can run the same time as them, but we don't the same amount of people as them. So when all of them dead, brother, them continue to produce.
Oh, okay. Talking about per capita now.
Yeah, dog.
Okay.
Yeah, so if one, when one of we good on in brother.
Yeah. Hurt we. Okay.
Whereas them.
Somebody has a comeback or replace.
10 brother.
Yeah.
About 100. They must feed them heat so then trial come like a final to win or that.
Yeah. Okay, I get what you say though.
Yeah, dog. But
I mean that's something to look into though.
Yeah, dog.
We need to preserve these athletes for longevity.
Yeah. But I just standard of champs, dog. I just that.
Yeah.
Standard of champs kinda high, but nowadays it's hard to get a scholarship from Jamaica. I ain't run fast.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dog. So
man, things and times change.
Yeah, dog. Standard just done today.
Yeah.
You see me?
Because they might expect fast at least for you to come out of Jamaica, regardless. And if you come from Jamaica and you run say 10-4, 10-5, man, you hardly know D1 school no one really look for you. You might all end up any year or something.
Right now, two are going into the play, brother, but you got D2 to right there.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah, it's a different kettle of fish now D1 right now.
Something I see going there.
Yeah. One day we go dive into the perks of signing to a D1, D2, and the whole transfer portal and all of that. We can give you some information and let everybody know about that.
Yeah. But like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Yeah.
Next thing we have on here, so Shellyan. Big up Shellyan. This is our last year.
Oh,
greatest. I'm not telling you lie, bro. But before she go,
pocket rocket,
brother. She have 2 things I like about her, dog. Well, 3 things. She herself, Shellyan, she have her pocket rocket foundation and she have a hair product, dog.
Oh.
Yeah, dog. Yeah. And she call it Affimi. Affimi hair product.
Affimi.
You see me, dog?
That's tough.
Yeah, dog. So, you see me, I love to see more athletes kind of become outside themselves, brother, because you're not just an athlete, brother. That we kind of feel if you understand, brother. You're more than just the spikes you wear and the clothes you wear and the time you run, brother.
True.
You're a brand.
Yourself.
Yeah, dog.
Yourself is a brand.
Yeah, dog.
I mean, that's how you market yourself.
You need to market yourself, brother. Big man thing, brother. There's a life after this.
There is. That's what I tell my name. So, yo, finish school, because there's life after sports.
Yeah, bro.
And you know, say what you get through going to school, it might help you in the long run.
Yeah, you might never know.
Any day, them spikes, one day, them spikes go pack up.
Yeah, man.
And not forever.
True.
Get them degrees, fam.
Yeah, man. I tell her that.
But Shelly, oh my God, me Me excited to see our last run.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to see it. I don't know what the outcome will be.
Yeah, boy, me hope final.
But regardless of what it is,
yeah,
she's getting a. Yeah. She need a parade. Yeah. She definitely did.
Yeah, me see. Warren we're on Sprint Culture podcast.
Oh yeah, with
yeah, man, British them.
Yeah, me see one clip inside.
Yeah, my dog I say Jamaica never market the Shelly thing. I mean I agree. For real, brother, because I remember when both like retired, brother. I dance in the keeper stadium, brother.
Yeah.
But
I mean, to each his own though. I mean, that's again, we have to show up with gratitude to these people, these such a important legend. You know what I say? Oh, wave and rock with flag all around. She even got to extend for change her ear color in every race where she run to represent the country.
And that is dancehall, first of all. That is Jamaica and that is dancehall, brother. Hairstyle, brother.
Yeah.
Remember when Wormwood used to do that, dog?
Who?
Wormwood.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, yeah.
Oh, brother.
Me did
brother.
If we got champs, go say Wormwood and Edwin go with hairstyle and that did bad.
But Wormwood was better to me.
Yeah.
Wormwood did tougher. Wormwood did tougher. Yes, but yeah, man. Big up
that make it exciting.
Yeah,
but Shelly, man.
Free, man. What else we have, you know? Juniors, then we have Kerry Kyle. She come back, she run faster, you know. She have a rough start to her season, but she run some decent time, you know. Kerry Kyle. Yeah, she one of them you probably even like, but she went from high school and go pro. Yeah.
No, I wouldn't say necessarily not like them, bro. But me not think say that was the right choices.
Yeah.
Cause me just look long term. Zine at the end during that 4 year there, you just jump out of high school. You're not ready to take on all of the financial responsibility, the mental strain that come with that.
Bro.
As a young adult, brother, you need time to develop some more, bro.
It's hard for me sit down and agree with when me see I'm over because both, brother.
Yes.
Johan, brother.
Yes.
Warren, brother.
Yes.
You see, my dog, it has happened. And it's like you tell the people and say, don't bet on themselves.
You can. Yeah. But may I say?
I bet on themselves.
Yes. Zine. But Warren did have to pack it up quick.
Yeah, but it's all like he might do good for himself.
Yeah, him then I own business, I do own business and thing, but me I say use as an example.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Like something can happen along the way. Yeah. You know what I say? Yep, alright, make sure bet by yourself, you know. But make sure say them the 4 years, you're sure right. I know say we'll get back sign back another contract.
Or something more time.
Yeah.
Branding.
Yeah.
Branding. We need to work on branding as Jamaicans, brother.
Yeah. During that 4 year, just make sure you have something to fall back on. If you not go to school, I want to have your degree.
Yeah.
But that's my concern. I maybe.
I agree.
Me did I think about it.
Yeah.
Per se that okay, I want to go to school first. Even if I get one contract while I go to school, more decide. Yeah. But I finish first. You see me? Yeah, dog.
Yeah, but I look on. Yeah. I don't know what it was dealing with Jail and O'Hara. I think Manly. Them didn't go UE. You must say they go UE, you know.
UE just the front to like a bit. Them man don't get money already. I talk about, bro. Them man get money from them. I got
yeah, but we are saying man them go college. That we are saying man them go college.
Somewhat, bro.
College man them go. Brother.
They done?
We don't know.
No.
Fast man they want this.
No. I want them not done. Well, you know, allegedly. Allegedly. But I said, I'm just touch upon quick on O'Hara. Even O'Hara. He did run good. Extraordinary.
Yeah.
Right?
First of all, O'Hara, I'm telling you, if one thing we can take from O'Hara, it's brand management.
That's branding.
Brother.
That's branding right there.
Best.
Yeah.
I'm going to say champ should change because I'm that. Yo, I first man come and champs and the man say, yo, hold on there. We can't have a sponsor.
Yeah.
You don't know nobody might think about that yet. Man say, yo, extraordinary, brother.
And that creates a whole controversy. But them even want carry man go pens.
Brother, till Jai will get a sponsor, till Jai will get line, remember?
Yes. Yeah, that was fun to watch. Yeah. Tough. That was fun to watch. But me did want him, man. Like, me did expect great things from OR.
Yeah.
Very great things.
Yeah. And right now, boy, he kill it sound like not do good in a lifestyle. It sound like you're alright.
Yeah. I mean, that's good. But pan the track, they want to see him pan the track.
Yeah,
them the talent there.
Definitely.
Nothing got to waste, son.
Definitely. Yeah,
them the man that was talented, bro.
Yeah.
Especially over hurdles. Boy. Deadly piece of boy, man.
Yeah, boy. You can't say him. You can't say him. If him and coach, them probably choose a part of him still.
Right now. Stop it. Hold up. We saw that one day.
Yeah, bro. Why if he swallow still, bro?
Yeah, why?
Yeah,
but coach can lead him straight in.
You feel so?
Yeah, brother, man. I think he was better over the hurdles.
Yeah, maybe I look on him on like some Warren weird thing. Warren was a hurdler thing.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I look on.
But even that last bat, look back, he don't come back and do the hurdles.
Yeah, boy, they too late.
Yeah, little bit too late now. You know what I mean? I said, he should have stayed over a hurdle, but
yeah,
dog, me rate the dog, man.
Clinical, man.
Yeah,
Good youth,
brother,
good youth.
clinical, good youth for reason. And then man, I go from my first team, I make. And then man, I say, Moby, I'm start calling Moby, and they call it barman. And barman, them big up on themselves. Yeah, man, one bar life, man.
It's like I'm interview still now. But I feel I forget. When I go back and forth in that.
Oh.
Yeah,
man, but see dog, man, you dog. Yeah, man. We can sit down and talk. Exactly. We want to talk about the thing.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah. We want to see decision making and what happen.
Yeah, dog.
The process,
I tell him, brother, we can do this. And man tell me, say, boy, yeah, man, you do it, I agree with you. And I say, alright, cool, I can post it with that dog. I'm posting with that dog. I'm sending money analytics dog, like the views and thing.
Yeah.
Go cool.
It go cool.
I'm just.
Yeah, but
just receipt dog.
yeah, man, the forward OR, man, forward to the front port, we discuss on, because boy, I love to see you back on the track. You don't too late, you're still young.
Well, but I want you. First time I want to see him on the track, dog.
What do you mean?
No, but I want him advice.
Your advice?
Yeah, but I really want to see him on the track. We're good.
What do you mean?
No, not in a disrespectful way. Like, we're actually good, dog. We're alright.
But right now, if they Monday, alright. If OR wins still do hurdles.
But in now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My thing is saying with that fear boy, the man, that give him a run for your money.
Who that? Vashan?
No, sir. Not about Vashan, man. It should be top hurdler now. He named the pan it.
Oh, Bradwell?
Bradwell. And the other one. Two we have, you know. Bradwell and
Lando. Bennett. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, man, I would want plus OR in the addition. That would have mad.
But also we have Party in that.
Party, I get down. Party need to pack it up and retire now.
But alright, if we yes, but you see the thing with retirement though, dog, if you still a win, if you still can make a final, brother, why?
I mean,
I retire. Look on Christie.
But there's no MLS. There's no smaller league to track and fields. We are talking.
What I say is that if you make money, see me.
Yeah, you can go and run it. But why? You go like mess up once?
No.
What? Man, have one stellar resume, bro.
Yeah, so I messed up.
Yeah, go out and then just come 8 now, make no finals and whatever.
Well, suppose man in foundation, dog.
I mean, go with a bang, bro.
You don't have to go with a bang, brother. Go upon your returns, brother.
No, bro.
No, dog.
So. Both realize that okay.
Both are different, man.
But I didn't see same thing, bro.
No, brother. Both is the different, man. Dog.
Yeah, me not bash him, you know. Say yo.
Me know.
Say go and make your money. Go and eat some breeze out of sports, same way. But it come down to a point now where you see say okay, better, faster, more agility man there, brother.
So,
go and just.
But that means you want to call back or that makes no sense.
I mean, dog still can come back, bro. That can come back. That can make a return right now. I think. Yeah, I think. I remain believing in dog. You see me?
Yeah, but me agree. Me get what you're saying, but I feel like it's too far gone.
Yeah, too far. Too far, man.
But
that's what I mean, man. He can't make no return right now, bro. Yeah. Too far along. When him that try catch it back at the time, I mean, he just never did that work. But that was a great athlete, man.
Definitely. Yeah. I love full arrangement with them, bro.
Great marketing strategy.
Yeah.
Extraordinary.
Yeah, man. The greatest stuff.
Yeah. That one our best moment at champs. Best highlight and that can be talked about for years.
For years, bro.
Yeah.
Remember saying again, man changed the rules. Champs changed them rules because of that. Literally changed the rules. Yeah. Big man thing. What's your agenda today?
If you make me know, I'm a killer.
So I know I'm a star, but brother.
But
Grand
peeps,
Slam.
Go
to where I say?
No, man, that's a peeps. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, no, yeah.
Sound like a radio host. But Grand Slam, them in the news again.
Yes.
With over $13 million.
Yes, me just see it, dog.
Johnson.
Mr. Johnson came up with a statement that an investor pull out.
Yeah. But first of all, I want to know how investor can pull out after I first meet that. What kind of dealing is that, brother?
Brother, me not understand. Me feel say whole heap of people not gonna get paid, and it go be a shambles move for. Me think it go mash up.
Brother, if they don't get paid, brother, if I was a Akira Nugent, but Akira win about 2 of them in a dog. I 200 that in a brother. Yeah, and then she did compete at Jamaica kind of brother. Daniel win. No, bro. You know, I can't discuss a dog.
Brother.
Because based on me I hear say Kenny them not get as bonus in a dog. As some 400 them and them not get in a dog. I'm not $4 in a brother.
But
I mean also Sydney I get more than that in a brother.
Yeah.
Sure in a dog. So if me I look at Jamaican brother, now I get my breeze. You fuck.
Yeah.
Defend
my breeze, man. Defend my breeze with you.
Yeah,
but if they not get them breeze,
yeah.
Me not think say no Grand Slam is done. You're just gonna go on one hit and wonder, and then that's it. But if him say in confident then can bounce back and come out I whole day, you know. But they have to see it.
Yeah, but reputation still.
The reputation.
I feel like it tarnished a little bit.
Of course it tarnished. I will people now go on. He have to go come and convince people now again and do a whole different marketing campaign for people really want to come and meet now.
Yeah, but the thing is that at first, you know, I start out with the best of the best of the best. You know, I have Sydney, right? This year, work at the whole line, brother. If you can convince you to come back in, brother, and no one of them never do. Them say, oh, I didn't say. No one say them couldn't agree with like some money business, some appearance money business, dog. Right? Speak out against it all, them thing, dog. But the biggest names they have was, what's your name? Sydney, Kenny, Melissa, Daniel Williams, Erika Nugent, and then distance man, them Josh Kerr and them one day. So what me I say is that you start out so high. Yeah. And if I lose for them trust.
A problem.
Yeah. Why go on this one?
That's what I say. They have to go either them pay up these athletes really quick before next season start and make sure they can convince them and make them know say this not gonna happen again. Because people are waiting for their money, they earn their money.
Me not lie no. You see thing is that me can't think they can hold out until October. Because now when I went into the Diamond League and
of course they can.
But if you don't see a 30 million hole and then me I say you owe Miramar must be $77,000. Yeah.
The track?
Yeah. so who get paid first? The man them are the equipment.
The equipment them go have to get paid first, man.
No, sir. You have to pay me first.
You pay you first?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how it goes. But man them need to get paid though.
Yeah. Definitely.
So if they not get no pay moving forward, and then just like okay, if they want, I mean, put me on a payment plan, I'm fine.
True.
I'm good. But it got damage your reputation. I mean, I mean, now go back.
You not go back?
No.
You not go back?
No, go back, bro. I mean, not sure if we have to wait for payment plan. What if men take out some things and know said bet panda money?
Speaking of that, what me the name Kenny Harrison go talk about say I must see one I meet them. I wish meet him and I say boy, him just buy a new house and put out the wall. So me
I bet panda money there. I did not come. You put me in a one bad position.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, no, bro. No. Not depend that.
Why?
That's a joke thing. But me hope say them can whatever situation they got going on. Yeah. Get out of it.
Yeah.
Get back some new investors.
Def.
Pay who forget pay.
Yeah.
Have a clean slate and let's go out. Let's try it again.
You think they can have a clean slate though?
Yeah, man. 13 million is steep still, you know.
Yeah, dog.
But he might computer in pocket.
No, sir. I don't believe that. You must say, I don't believe that. Because how much money you have for Bolt? About 112 million.
About that?
Yeah. Oh. And I don't think he better than Bolt.
No.
Yeah. And them man retired a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. That me a look point.
Okay. Yeah. You have a point. You have a point for you.
No, dog.
Yeah. And then plus even though they're on a lifetime contract.
Yeah, man, he probably
in the
Nike.
Nike?
Yeah.
We left with Nike?
Def. They man wear Nike right through, dog. I'll let show off, I don't know.
Well, I'm not sure that we can confirm both one.
Yeah, we must say make you go shoes him, dog.
Okay.
So more likely for a lifetime contract, dog.
So wish him all the best though.
Yeah,
At least them forget them breeze though.
Yeah,
man, a different breeze. New gentle like Jamaican them.
Brother.
Apply some pressure. Get on the breeze.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Breeze to run.
But they must know something. They must fear talk to them.
Yeah, of course.
You keep them calm. Yeah.
But, you can't owe me so much money and not talk to me when my money I go reach.
Where my money there?
But what am I breeze, brother? But I mean, if they can't agree to one payment plan and not give them pressure them too much.
Yeah.
I mean that can't work.
What you take for your payment plan? Monthly. What are they? Monthly or weekly?
No man, the monthly. Payment no weekly, brother. Not get no time people recuperate no money. I have to go monthly.
Okay.
Or quarterly. That's how you get to pay your contract anyways.
Yeah, but this is not no contract.
I mean, but just make some suggestion, bro.
Yeah,
I know if you cannot give them, because I first one, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just like starting up a company, you go have your X them.
It's a startup.
Startup.
That's one thing he mentioned a lot in an interview. Me see. Front office or front office.
Yeah. And then first one, then go make mistake. I owe them bounce back from.
Yeah.
You know, me not kill them, but more watch how they then come back from that one.
Yeah.
I mean, say okay.
Yeah.
But pay that.
Yeah, man. Definitely, brother. Anything else?
Boy, we're going nice meet, I know. We're going.
I mean, we can just rest it and watch US trials, bro.
Yeah, okay. So we can see we're going for US trials. I think that's gonna be epic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be tuning in.
Yeah,
live this weekend or this week.
Come on, this weekend.
Yeah. Sunday basically.
Yeah.
So this weekend.
Such a man.
Yeah. Once here you go.
Yeah, bro. Once if no one lies got it still. Come here saying no got it again, but me still.
Boy, me think say under little pressure right now.
Yeah.
But we leave that one until next week still we can't touch it.
Yeah, back for one, but
yeah.
Again, you see me, we go there more often. You see me, sorry for the mishap from the previous week. My fault, as me say, I never did an interview. So the studio. You see me, I just say, oh, we're gonna post it, guy. Funny, you see me, simple as that.
Yeah.
You see me, but subscribe, share, tell a friend.
Tell a friend.
Yeah.
Yo, so we out there. Big up on One Bad Podcast, you know. Reason being, you don't know.
Next week, is right.
Alright, outside.
Out.